eventful morning for me, I must say. I'm just realizing that I have a lot going on, like just in my life in general, not in one area of my life per se, but honestly in multiple parts of my life. You always hear people say to stay positive and try not to think of the negative and so on and so forth, but it's not always that easy. It's really not. And sorry y'all, I'm driving and I don't really understand why this car is going so slow. Anyways, it's really hard to stay positive when the same thing keeps coming up time and time again. And I've tried my best to be positive and stay in my word and I don't even know, do what I can with what I have. And I'm realizing that every day it's just, you gotta pick up your cross and you gotta keep going. You can't give up no matter what the circumstances are. You have to, which way do I go? I gotta change these mirrors. I can't even see. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gotta pick up your cross. You gotta be faithful in the little. Be faithful with what you have. Do what you can with what you have. And keep walking. Keep moving. Because I'm realizing, if I wait on motivation, if I wait on feeling inspired, baby, nothing is ever gonna get done at all. And so it just takes for you to be disciplined and know that there's greater coming for you. Greater is already on the way. And God already knows my story. He already knows my plans. So as I keep walking daily, the fog will get clearer as I go. I can't sit and wait on things to get better. I gotta do what I can with what I have. And honestly, first of all, I'm sorry, I just got distracted. But I showed y'all this before, but this flavor, to be exact, baby, I'm hooked. This is so good. good. It's like, oh my God. It's like if apple juice had a pop. That's what this tastes like. Like, baby, I'm sorry, I had to just stop and take a sip of that because I forgot that I had it. Actually, my mom, she wanted me to go get some more. They do have them at Target, 5 for $12. Anyways, I'm getting off track, y'all. See, I told y'all, when I don't have no notes or nothing, I just be talking for real. But anyways, what I was saying was, I've been having a thought that I don't know if I made the right decision when I accepted the position at the dermatology office. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh Jesus. I don't know. I think, if I'm being completely honest, I feel like I accepted the position out of survival mode instead of actually bringing it to God and actually praying and waiting for Him to answer me. Because it's a bunch of things going on, and moving out of Ohio is, I don't even want to say quietly, loudly becoming one of the things that I need to prioritize. And so I'm not really sure how long I'm gonna be at the dermatology office, or I don't really know. I'm gonna pray on it, and I'm gonna do the best I can. But I don't know, y'all. That's just been my thoughts lately. Right now, for the past, honestly, since I accepted the position, I was just like, in my mind, I was like, oh, okay, this is good. This is a good opportunity. But in my back of my mind, I'm like, ooh, Sheya, was that the best option? Did you pray about that? Oh, this is spot here. Okay, yeah, it is. Yes. Because this parking this parking spot, is the cheapest for the downtown area where I currently am. And first of all, where is the number? Never mind. Doesn't even matter. Okay, y'all. I made it to the library. Y'all, look at these flowers. Hold on. They're so beautiful. I love that. Anyways, y'all, but what I was basically getting at is, for For the longest time, I'm not a person that likes to say, oh, God told me this, God said this, God said that. I don't know if I'll ever be that person. I mean, maybe when I get deeper into my faith and really into my Bible and really into my discernment of hearing the Lord, I will say something like that. But as of right now, I don't say things like that. But with that being said, I have truly felt like I have been called to move out of my hometown. And this isn't something that like, oh, I really just want to move. Like, I want to move. I do want to move, but it's like one of those thoughts that just doesn't go away, if that makes sense. If you know what I'm talking about in the comments, please give me some feedback on this. But it's one of those thoughts where it's a nudging, like, okay, I told you to go, I told you to go, I told you to go, and it won't leave me alone. And so I feel like, I don't know, this is just what I feel. I feel like me taking that job at the dermatology office was low-key me being disobedient and me moving out of, I gotta take this job because I don't have any other source of income really coming in right now besides like DoorDash. I recently just got back on, it's called Spark, and it's basically just delivering packages from Walmart, Sam's Club, and like Home Depot, and other stores are on there, but those are like the only ones that are like here in where I'm staying. This is so good. If you like apple juice and you like fizzy drinks, it's I told y'all about this already, but it's literally a natural energy drink. It boosts metabolism, supports your mood. I truly feel a difference when I drink this. I'm not even lying to y'all. This isn't sponsored. But anyways, I truly feel like it's time for me to go. And I don't know, but I may pick you girls up when I'm leaving the library, but if this is the end of the video, I love you guys. I'm about to do some more work on my business. Today I want to look at this, y'all. I think I was telling y'all this before, but 3 notebooks And for one, they're not all filled at all. But anyways, I have so many notes for my business, for skincare, from school, from my past mentor that I had. Oh, excuse me. So I have all of these. I have things on my phone. I have things on my Notion. I have things on my Google Docs. I gotta organize my thoughts in my business today, because when my clients start to find me, which they're coming for me, baby. I can feel it. But I gotta be more organized, and I gotta have my together, period. Because I hate feeling unorganized. And yeah, I gotta do that today. I'm gonna be making a freebie for you guys. That'll be linked on my Stan store. My soft skin blueprint is officially launched. So if you are a girly that is, or a guy, I mostly made it for women. My mission is to help women move from confusion to clarity through skincare, through journaling, and through intentional experiences. That's my mission. But you know, if you feel called, I can't stop you. But if you are someone that has been struggling with understanding your skin, you've tried all the products, you've watched all the TikTok videos, watched all the YouTube videos about how to get clear skin, and nothing has been working for you, you are seriously gonna want to check out my blueprint. I really think that it is going to bless those who decide to purchase it. I'm really excited that I was able to launch it yesterday for you guys. And yeah, check out my description box. I have a few things in there now. I have 10 spots available for my soft reset experience, which is basically if you are wanting guidance, wanting more one-on-one guidance with your skincare, and you want someone to hold you accountable, someone like me, a licensed esthetician that knows what you're going through, that has had classes about it, has the knowledge, and has the capacity to help you, you're seriously gonna want to apply for my soft reset experience. But yeah, you guys, I love you. God loves you. God sees you. And until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye.